What are the best features of the Sony Alpha 7R Roman 4? If you are a birding enthusiast looking for a camera that can capture stunning images of our feathered friends, the Sony Alpha 7R Roman 4 might just be what you need. Let's take a closer look at its standout features that make it a top choice for bird photography. First off, this camera boasts a remarkable 61-megapixel full-frame sensor. This high resolution means you can capture incredibly detailed images of birds. Even if you need to crop your photos, the sharpness remains intact, which is essential when photographing small or distant birds. Next, the advanced autofocus system is a game changer. With 567 phase detection autofocus points, it covers nearly the entire frame. This allows for fast and precise tracking of moving birds, even in tricky lighting conditions. Another impressive feature is the real-time eye autofocus for animals. This technology uses artificial intelligence to focus on the eyes of birds. While it may perform better with some species, it greatly increases your chances of capturing sharp images of birds' eyes, which adds a captivating element to your wildlife photography. The camera also offers flexible autofocus area settings. You can choose a small or medium autofocus area, which helps you focus precisely on a bird's head or eye. This is particularly useful for isolating your subject against a busy background. When it comes to low-light performance, the Sony Alpha 7R Roman 4 excels. It handles higher ISO settings well, allowing you to take clear images during dawn or dusk when birds are most active. In addition, the in-body image stabilization feature provides 5.5 stops of stabilization. This is especially helpful when shooting birds in flight or using long telephoto lenses, as it minimizes blur caused by hand movement. Speaking of lenses, the camera supports over 50 native lenses. This includes specialized telephoto lenses like the 200 to 600 mm or 100 to 400 mm zooms. These lenses let you get close-up shots from a distance without disturbing the birds. The high-quality electronic viewfinder is another highlight. It features an organic light-emitting diode display that provides a clear view, making it easier to compose shots even in bright outdoor conditions. Finally, the battery life is commendable. A longer battery life means you can spend more time in the field capturing images without needing to recharge frequently. While capturing birds in fast flight can be challenging, the high resolution and cropping ability of the Sony Alpha 7R Roman 4 allow you to recover excellent detail, even if your initial framing is not perfect. With its combination of high resolution, advanced autofocus, and excellent stabilization, the Sony Alpha 7R Roman 4 is a fantastic option for bird photographers looking to capture the beauty and behavior of birds in their natural habitats.